The coat quality here is exceptional.
Yes.
Yeah.
Marking that as grade A.
Skin looks clear and fur density is excellent.
Airflow is precisely regulated.
We clean the enclosures daily.
Density looks excellent here.
Yes, Karma put in stock it. Yes, guard hairs are uniform.
Feeding routines are designed for precision.
This growth metric here, it's exceeding expectations by 15%. I see that. We should cross-reference with the power consumption logs immediately.
Look at this spike in the collagen synthesis data here. Yeah.
Yes, the regeneration rate is higher than anticipated for a wild specimen.
Exceptional quality maintained.
This patch is a B grade, unsuitable.
Decrease the RPMs until we match density.
Confirmed. Log calibration.
Very pliable. Let's check the retention.
The seam work here is excellent. I'll finalize the approval now.